Yep. She needs to go that way with it some. Let it down some. Let it get back in the track. All right, now it's in the track, so probably go that way. There you go. Now it's staying. You're gonna need to come back that way, son. Oh. Well, I need some slack because it's tightened up too much. Slack. All right, pull it. Okay. Up now. All right, right there. Okay, now bring it back down. All right, hold on 1 second. I gotta bring this right around me. Okay, lower it down some. All right. All right, lower it down. Well, hold on a minute. Hold on.
I can't hear you.
So hold on.
You got one bar there by your foot. It's caught.
There we go. All right, bring it down a little. Perfect. All right. Just perfect. All right, bring it down a little more. I'm trying to get it to balance itself. There we go. Let's see. Right there. All right, hold it right there.